Okay, so for this next one, I'll be honest, the very first command that we're going to do here, this select object stray points, I had no idea about, so I know I got that one wrong. I want to make sure that you guys don't, because it's super easy. All right, so what stray points are is when you have the pen tool and you might have clicked little dots all over the place and you don't see them, but you want to clean up your file. It's very easy. Go to select object and click stray points. So you'll see I had little points everywhere. You want to select those and just press delete. Now your file's clean. All right, the next part, much easier. Get the star tool. It's nested behind the rectangle tool. And just click on your artboard and put in the parameters that it says, 5 points, 300 for radius 2, 100 for radius 1, and say OK. And now it's going to make you shear it and rotate it and change the reference point, which we did on that other skill builder just a little while ago. So you want to go over to the transform panel over here, and let's make the reference point centered. So we have it right there. That's good. Shear it 30 degrees. All right, so you'll see on this properties, I'm glad this happened. You don't see the shear button there. I'm just going to go over to window and open the transform panel there because it has the shear button or the shear parameters. So we're going to shear it 30 degrees and we're going to rotate it 30 degrees. And then it wants you to put it in an exact location. So I'm going to put it up here in the X coordinates. I'm going to make those 5,500. And then the Y coordinates, 3,500. And then the last step is to make it a guide. So you want to go up to View, Guide, Make Guides.